Fellow comrades, fellow South Africans, when there is a problem, leadership is about providing solutions. Since we don't have anyone that is giving us a solution about the youth in South Africa, I choose to take the stand and give an advice to the youth of South Africa, especially to the majority party and the community mass-based organization, which is called the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The MK Party does not represent its own constituencies. It represents the people of South Africa as a whole. Fellow South Africans, I request to again, the Youth League of June 16, they must start now rotating the country, consulting the young people of South Africa. The same thing as Ubabu Nomvalo has come and doing consulting, doing regional consultations. And then also from there, when they're consulting the regions and then the provinces, I will give them dates now. The June 16 is starting on the 13th, is on Saturday. The 16th June is on this Tuesday. So I demand a 4-day conference of the young people in South Africa. We must be the only political party that speaks the language of the young people. We must provide solutions to the young people of South Africa. As we go into local government, we must state where the youth is standing in South Africa as MK Youth League. So I have a proposal. The leadership of Qiniso Cebane and Nkanteko Mkhabela, fellow leaders, we trust on the leadership. We need to mobilize youth rally June 16 between the three in KwaZulu-Natal. It must be in Machuba, it must be in Richards Bay, Mhlathuze Sport Complex, or KwaDukuza. It must not be in Durban this time. We will go to other provinces because the reason why we need to KwaZulu-Natal, because it's easy to mobilize within the province because we have big numbers, so we don't gonna use an empty stadiums. Towards the conference, I need a 4-day policy conference. The Youth League must give us the policy conference. They must sit and draft the policy of the young people. They must draft the constitution of the MK Youth League, drafted by the young people, contributed by the all regions in drafting the constitution. In doing so, I'm also proposing to have a task team that must do that. The task team is not a person who's under the age of 30. The task team will be the people who understand the dynamics of the young people and the dynamics of the MK Party. In my proposal, I need the oversight of Honorable Norma Buthelezi from the National Assembly. He must provide an oversight to this committee. Secondly, I need National Mobilizer, Comrade Bonkosi, Madoda Gift Education, Kanyile, to oversight also as a mobilizer to keep the resources, to communicate to the National High Command, the TG, to get the funds available to ensure that the Youth League is alive in South Africa. And then I need a task team to work with Qiniso Cebane and Nkanteko Mkhabela, which will be Tamim Zobe, Thembiso Mathenjwa, Umaisha, Kuzoba, Utami Kuzwayo. This task team must also be deployed with the national, with Qiniso Cebane and the team to go across consulting the young people in all provinces and ensuring that the youth is vibrant, the youth is revived in South Africa, fellow comrade. And then also I need the biggest province is KwaZulu-Natal. So KwaZulu-Natal, please provide me task team KwaZulu-Natal. I don't even know currently ubani ophethe Youth League KwaZulu-Natal, because umuntu khona umuntu ophethe KwaZulu-Natal asiwazi wenzani. In truly speaking, we don't know what you are doing there. Can we have Usanele Slovo Shandu in the task team of the province providing oversight? Also Michelle Whitley helping the Youth League, Paralema Pumulo, Uhatebe Wasemarisbek. These are proposed by breakdown. These young to call that again Hambelama region work and consult KwaZulu-Natal. Let's check what is the state of the young people of KwaZulu-Natal. The oversight KwaZulu-Natal, we have members of parliament abangene ngekadi Youth League. Uslindile Seme, Kuba Uluntu Maxekwane. All guys, you must now KwaZulu-Natal provide an oversight, visit all the regions, consult the young people, draft the policy of the young people, write the constitution, consult with them. What is yintetting abantu abasha base South Africa. Fellow comrade, in closing, it's 14 Saturday, 15 Sunday, 13 Saturday, 14 Sunday, 15 Monday. No Monday, after the consultation, you must now do what? After you consulted the young people, we need a 5 presidential candidate of the MK Youth League across in South Africa. Then you must bring them on Monday on the 15th. You must take us to this conference. Then you will be the 6th candidate. If then bring 5 candidates of the MK Youth League presidency, they must be publicly interviewed There must be, because you can't just appoint anyone because he's your friend, comrade. We don't know what, we didn't say nothing. Give us at least 5. Open interview like each interview my judge. Let us interview them publicly. Let us interview, let us check their brain, how their ideas, how they think. Then we'll know, say, 5 presidential candidates, then we take it from there. And then on the 16th, you must announce who won the interview, who will be the president of the Youth League, if it's Qiniso Cebane is coming back, or Qiniso Cebane will be handing over to the new president. We are Sabenza President of South Africa, Viva MK Youth League, Viva. We try to submit or fight. It is time for the young people to rise now. The group is about all the groups, all South Africans. And this will figure Baba. That's a warning. If you mention Makamela, you didn't stand up and facilitate this. After June 16, the youth is still dead. I'm coming for you one by one. You better do the right thing. You just do it with your funds, with your money, with your petrol. Make sure this thing you click your appeal South Africa. We have no other choice, and the Congress is a party. About a choice, you need to do the right thing. Thank you.